You've definitely had the experience of leaving the house and realizing when you get back that you forgot your keys. But don't worry anymore. Technology is here to help. The NGTeco Smart Lock ensures you'll never face such issues again. All it takes is registering your fingerprint or face once, and you'll never need a key again. With the dedicated app and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the lock remotely anytime, anywhere. With the palm print feature, you don't have to worry about spreading viruses through surfaces during illness. Say goodbye to burglars and their old-fashioned bunch of keys. The NGTeco Smart Lock takes care of your home and family's safety and comfort.